How to reset Snapchat password. Forgotten your Snapchat password? Logged out of your account? Don't panic. In this quick tutorial, I will show you exactly how to reset your Snapchat password in under a minute. Let's get started. Open the Snapchat app. Now tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. Here, tap on the gear icon to open settings at the top right corner. Now scroll down until you see password. Tap on password. Now, to set a new password, you should enter your current password first. So, enter your current password. Once you have entered your current password, tap on continue. Now you can enter your new password. Now once you enter your new password, tap on save. And that's the way your password will be updated. If this video helped you out, smash the like button, subscribe for more tips, and ring the bell so you never miss a fix. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.